Good evening guys, magluluto tayo ng larang na mixed seafood. Ito guys yan, squid, scallop, kanigi fish, tuna fish. Ito yung ano niya guys, ricado, sibuyas, bawang luya, sininganghang, kamatis, saka kalamansi. See you guys. Igisa ko muna guys para mag-absorb yung timpla niya. Yan, mix na yan guys. Squid, scallop, kangigi, tuna fish, saka yung salmon fish yan guys. Lagay ko niya ay kamatis, bawang luya, sininganghang. Yan guys, pampawala ng lansa. Isa muna for 1 minute. Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto ko guys na sinigang o nilarang in Visayan seafood. Yan guys Yan, ang mix nito guys is yung squid, may scallop, may tangigi, at saka tuna guys. Yan, salmon fish. Mix up yan guys, masarap yan. Yung ricados yun guys, kamatis, sibuyas, bawang luya, paminta. Yan, siling anghang, at saka spring onions. Yan guys nilarang in Macau. Nilarang seafood. Alright, see you guys sa kainan. Alright.